If you've been hearing a lot about Akkermansia lately and wondering what in the world it is and why it's showing up in so many supplements, let me show you this one that I was sent to try. I recently just learned about this product, so I was excited to get this from the brand. It's called Akkermansia Liver Detox, Repair, and Cleanse Supplement. And what I noticed right away is that it's designed to support not only your liver, but also your gut. So maybe you're thinking or wondering when you look at it, why would a liver supplement have a probiotic in it? Well, it's because your gut and your liver actually work closely together, and this formula is designed to support that gut-liver connection. It contains 20 billion AFUs of Akkermansia, and that is a probiotic. It also has milk thistle in it, which is probably an ingredient that you've heard of because it's in a lot of liver support products. But here's the other thing. There's so many other good things in there. If you turn the bottle around and look at the label, you can see all the things that are included in it. It's actually an 8-in-1 formula. It includes things like the milk thistle that I mentioned already, the Akkermansia dandelion root, turmeric, French oakwood extract, which that, by the way, provides quercetin if you're wondering. So the ingredients that are included are supposed to support things like normal liver function, digestive health, bile production, antioxidant protection, as well as that gut-liver connection. Now, here's a question that I always have with supplements. First of all, I always wonder, well, how many of them do I have to take? So for this formula, you only have to take 2 a day. And of course, my big question is always, how big are the capsules? Are these something that I can actually get down? So I was very happy to see that these are a nice standard capsule size. They're not one of those enormous ones that you look at and kind of wonder how you're ever going to swallow them without choking. So whenever I hear the words on a bottle like this or on a product that says detox or cleanse, I have to remind myself, our liver already does a great job of processing the substances in our body. So I think of something like this more as a daily supplement that's designed to support the normal liver and digestive function rather than something that's just going to magically clean out our liver. And because it is a supplement, of course, you want to be consistent with it. Most supplements are not going to help you if you just take it for 1 or 2 days or 3 days and then say, oh, it didn't do anything. You have to be consistent for it to do the job that it's supposed to do. So if you've been looking in to Akkermansia, or you've been interested in a supplement that supports and combines gut support with liver supporting ingredients like milk thistle, this is a great formula to check out. Just 2 capsules a day, a 30-day supply, and several of those great ingredients that are combined into this one product so that you don't have to take several different products and have all those bottles sitting on your counter.